Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So today we're going to open the May 2021 dollar bead bag and dollar bead box. So we've got two separate subscriptions. We're going to start with the bag. So the bag is $8 a month and you get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. So we'll take them out and take a look. And dollar bead bag subscribers can reorder May items through June 2021 for $1 a strand. So I also have a coupon code BRONZE2 for $2 off your first bag, box, or anything on their website if you're a member. So the best thing to do is just go to the website. I have a link down below for you and check it out and see what you think, because there are different ways you can order. So that's that. Okay, so here we go. Let me pull these up a little bit, pull in, and we'll get going. All right. So 3mm strands. I'm skipping to the second one because sometimes I just can't get the colors right when I look at them. Actually did this part of the video 3 times because I kept looking at it and saying, is that right? Is that right? So I'm going to start with Raspberry Luster because I know that this is Raspberry Luster. That's gorgeous. A beautiful raspberry color, and it's got a little sort of ambery, just touch of goldish amber in it. Gorgeous. Love it. And then Crystal Half Gold. I know this is Crystal Half Gold. So I am skipping around a little bit in the 3mm. So it's a crystal bead. It's got a half gold luster on it. Just beautiful. I love their fire polish beads. They're so beautiful. We're getting quite a collection. I have a video on how to store them, and I do it by color. I'll link that down below. I have a playlist where I use so many of the different beads, and I'll link that down below. And then we have White Alabaster Army Green Luster. And then we have Alabaster White Pearlized Olive. So whichever is which, I'm going to say this is probably the White Alabaster and this is the Pearlized Olive. That's what it looks like to me. But look how gorgeous they are. Look at these colors together. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. So there are our 4 3mm. Let's go to the 4mm. I'm going to skip around here too. So this is Pumpkin Spice. So they're getting me a little bit on the colors this time. So that's a beautiful pumpkin color, and it's very bright, and love that luster on it. So it's sort of a satin finish, which makes it, I think, really beautiful, for the spring and summer. Okay, and fall. It's also a fall color, and I love it with the greens. It's like, flowers and leaves. And then we have Matte Crystal Maria. I'm going to say that's this one because that's the only matte bead that I see. So that's a Crystal Maria. It has sort of like I don't know, it's almost a champagne-y color with like an AB, a matte AB. Very beautiful. California Collection Rose Bronze. This looks like rose and bronze to me, so I'm going to say that's this one. I could be wrong, so if I am, somebody tell me, but I'll look on the website. But they're just gorgeous. This is really beautiful. I mean, I could be wrong. This could be the Maria. I don't know. So I'm going to pop this one on. And then Light Topaz White Luster. So this looks light topaz to me, but I don't know about the white luster. Is that sort of a white luster? Maybe. They're just beautiful. So I may have messed up my colors a little bit. I do apologize if I did, but there you go. There's a dollar bead bag. So again, $8 a month, BRONZE2, $2 off. Check the website, see if it's right for you. All right, so I'm going to clear this off and we'll take a look at the box. Okay, here are all the items that are in the box. So the box is as low as $18.50 a month. Depends on your subscription. It goes up a little bit. Sometimes you get free shipping depending on your subscription. So you need to check out the website. And again, the BRONZE2, $2 off the first box code applies here as well. So here are all our pieces. I'm going to just put these aside. And here's our letter. So they're telling you what's new in the shop and what's going fast. And that looks cool, 3mm faceted spinel. I'm going to take a look at that. And then here's all their social media addresses right here. Here's our list. We'll go through the strands first. And hopefully I'll get the colors right on these. 6mm check glass struck, matte gunmetal, 25 pieces. That's beautiful. And just a quick note, I never really say who is this box for. This box is for really anybody who loves beading. It's especially good for a beginner and especially good for somebody who loves stringing. I'm mainly a bead weaver, but I do a lot of stringing of necklaces. So I may weave a pendant and then I need a necklace. And that's what I love the dollar bead box for. And I love the bead bag, of course, for the fire polish. Perfect Mother's Day gift, a little subscription. Perfect gift for a teenager, I think, who is into beading and crafts and such. Great. All right, so getting back to this. So here's the check glass struck. So that's a matte gunmetal, which is so cool. It almost has that little oil slick look. All right, that's that one. 25 pieces, 4mm check glass struck in peridot, transparent peridot. So this is beautiful. I love peridot. It's my birthstone. I hated it my whole life, and just as I've gotten older, I absolutely love every green, including peridot. Love it. Check fire polish in a 5mm, which I think is so great that they're putting 5mm fire polish in. It's such a nice size to have. So here's this one, and that's 50 pieces on the peridot. Moss green white luster, 25 pieces. Looks like like some kind of gemstone. Really pretty. Let's see if I can get a real nice close up on that. It's hard to tell, but it's very beautiful. And then a 6mm check glass heart in crystal AB, 20 pieces. So really pretty. Just look at how pretty that is. It's just a little heart, great for a little charm. And then the next one you get, what did I say, 20 pieces. And then this is a check glass 2-hole brick, crystal AB, 25 pieces. This is 4x8mm. I love these together. Look at the rainbow. Isn't that gorgeous? You know what this reminds me of? Of like those crystal points. The quartz points that you can buy and you can make a necklace out of them. What if you just did a necklace just like that? With beads, just a couple of, maybe the peridot in between, or a gold bead or whatever, any color. I love that idea, just to make that kind of necklace. That'd be gorgeous. Nice kind of bridal looking. So very cool. And then we have 8mm check glass melon beads, and these are in a beautiful crystal blue with a gold wash, 15 pieces, and this is just a big old, round bead, but it's, it looks like a melon. It's got little indentations. That looks like the Caribbean and the sand. Gorgeous, love it. And then we have some pearls. So we have 2mm pearls, and you get, 15 pieces. So 2mm check glass pearl and bone, 42 pieces. And then you get a 2mm check glass pearl in golden sand, 42 pieces. And I love these 2mm. They're just such a perfect little bead when you want a little more than an 11-0, but you don't want a 3mm. It's perfect size. And then they put in a 4mm check glass pearl in golden sand, 40 pieces. So this is exactly how I would purchase these if I was just looking on a website. I love getting the same, type of bead in different sizes and colors. Just how gorgeous is that? Love it. Those are just absolutely beautiful. So additional items. 14mm table cut check glass table cut flower. There we go. Crystal AB, again, 2 pieces. So this is really gorgeous. This looks like cut crystal. Look at it. So it's sort of frosted on the edges. And then look at the AB, the color. So I love, again, these 3 together somehow would be perfect. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That's so pretty. Look at the sparkle. Look at the AB on that. That's so beautiful. So I'd incorporate that and then maybe, the blue or the green in with it. They're really pretty. 12mm Swarovski crystal cosmic bead. And this is in jet, 1 piece. Isn't that cool? That is a gorgeous bead. Look at that gorgeous crystal. It looks kind of like a meteor or something, huh? Sparkle. Gorgeous. Put that there. And then we have some Lucerna bicones, and these are in jet. You get 8 pieces. They're 6mm. And I love these. Again, I love this about the dollar bead box, that you get small amounts of like different, like unusual beads. And this is a different kind of bicone, it's not faceted. That's very cool. I just, just maybe you only need 6 of them, or you need just 2 of them, and you don't want to buy a strand of, 100 or 150, whatever. I think that would be just like a cool little necklace with, a colored bead in between. Maybe even this pearl in between would be really pretty. So that's what I love so much, is whenever I'm looking for a focal bead, or I'm looking for just a few beads that I might need, I look at my dollar bead box. And then we have, let's see, 10 millimeter check glass fire polish. So this is a big fire polish in jet vintage blue. Get 6 pieces. And this is a jet bead, and it has, look at the sparkle on that, like the finish. Again, that's like an oil slick finish with bronzes and blues, and look at that. Again, you need a few 10 millimeters, but you don't want, 100 of them. You've got them. And then we have 6 by 9 millimeter check glass cut, try that again, check glass gem cut rondelle. An opaque white with green luster. Opaque purple with green luster. I get it right. So this is a very, it is purple. It's almost like a plummy color. It's very pretty. It's a big rondelle. Again, an unusual bead that you may only want a few of, and there you have it. And then 17 by 12 millimeter check glass B. Opaque yellow with black wash, 1 piece. And I think we have another bee that might be in turquoise. I have some neighbors that keep bees. I mean, they live a few miles away, but I always pass them and I see their, the hives. They would love that. Look at that, cool. That's cool. So that even looks like a bee color, doesn't it? The black and the black and yellow. Here we go. We already have a necklace, a bee necklace. Okay. Did I miss something? Yes. 8 by 20 millimeter check glass drop, opaque white with green luster. These are gorgeous. So here you need 2 drops for a pair of earrings. You can make a pair of earrings with these. So pretty. You need just 1 drop for the bottom of a necklace. I mean, it wouldn't go with this, but another necklace, you've got it. It's great. 20 by 21 millimeter check glass table cut tabular round. This is so cool. I thought this was a agate slice. I'm cleaning it off. And it has jet with travertine, 2 pieces. So here's the travertine on the side. Doesn't that look like an agate slice? And it does have a hole. I would be inclined to try and bezel this. Can we bezel this? I don't know. Maybe I'll give it a try. But I just love that. So cool. Again, just an unusual piece. Love it right there. So cute. Or maybe just like that, if you don't want the bee, or you can do the bee and this piece and make a real interesting necklace. So again, very inspiring. Okay, 17 millimeter check glass laser etched coin, bronze luster or purple luster. Beautiful. I love their etched beads. They're so pretty. This would be nice with that, very like 1950s sort of inspired right there. Very pretty. This would even be pretty on this. I mean, just so many things that you can do just with the items here. Add a seed bead or 2. And then we have a bonus item, soft flex beading wire in lemon quartz, so a nice bright yellow to go with your bees, so you can actually use, wire this up, and you've got a nice little, bit of wire for your bee or for whatever, you might be making. All right, so here's your box. Let me put the bag items out just so you see everything. Getting both is like the best ever. So here you go. So here's your box. Here's your bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you take a look and see if you like it. Check it out. Go to the website and just look around the website. It's just a fun website to navigate. It's very easy. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.